First, we are going to talk about common block elements. Some common block elements are H for heading tags, where it takes the full length of the page or full weight of their parent. For example, let's type here main heading shape. It has appear here. Now let's give him a style. So a style background color, for example, let's call this aqua and save it. As you guys can see, even the text is that much long, but it takes full length of the page. And if I type another heading here, for example h2, and give this a style as well, so let's call this background color also aqua, and let's type a text here sub heading save. Now it started in a new line. So basically all block elements, they start in a new line and it takes full length of their parent or the page. Similarly, there are other block elements also. For example, the paragraph tag. Let's type a text. This is a paragraph, and let's give them a style as well. Style background color aqua save. Now it also took full length of the parents or full length of the page. Another block element is unorderless or UL. Let's create a less. This is less save. Let's give this a background color as well. Now it took also full length same. Orderless is also block element because it will also take the full length. So let's style background color aqua is at the list. Another block element that I'm going to talk about is table. So the table is also a block element. So let's type dd hi save, and it starts from here. Even if I write something else here, it will start from the below. As you guys can see in here, it started from down. Okay, so now let's talk about some common inline blocks. So let's change it to inline. Now, inline elements are those elements that only take as much as weight as their content. So they will not take more weight. They will only take as much as possible for their content. For example, we have in here a tag or hyperlink tag. So let's write here something for href, and this is a lake. Say it's here. Let's give them a style and background color. Style background color red. Say now, as you guys can see, it only took that much weight. Same amount that text is. It did not took all the weight. Another thing, another element, inline element is image. It will also take as much weight as it needs, not full length. So let's give him a alt, and this is an image and source. For now, let's keep them empty. Save. Now, as you guys see, it show in the same line as my link, and it takes that much space. Now let's talk about another thing, span. This one is also inline. So this is inline block or inline element. Save. It took that much. Let's give him a background style and background color of let's say green. Save. Okay, it took that much space. Now, if you want to convert an inline element to block element or block element to inline element, let's see how we can convert them to each other. So we saw the span is inline elements. Let's create another span here. Span, and this let's type here this behaves like a block element. Now it's showing in here. Now let's give them a style. So style, background color, yellow. Now to change this to block element, we just have to type after the background color, we have to add a semicolon, then we have to type display, and in here we have to say blocks. Now let's say, as you guys can see, it came to a new line and took full weight of the page. So this is how you can convert it to the block element. So this is it for this video. See you guys in the next video.